Hello, Virginia Tech and William & Mary families. This is Ms. McConan. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to log into our Google Classroom so that we can start our distance learning this upcoming week. First thing you need to do is type in classroom.google.com. If you're already logged in, it'll take you to this Google Classroom homepage where you'll be able to see all the classrooms that you're a part of. If you're not already logged in, you might get to this screen or this screen where it'll ask you to sign in. If you already have some accounts signed in and you want to add your Kipster, all you're going to do is click that button that says use another account. So here you're going to type in your Kipster's email address, which is just their first name, period, their last name, at kipbmore.org. Then you're going to hit next. Now that's not my email address, so I'm going to go ahead and type mine in. Then it's going to take you to this page where you type in your Kipster's password. Now your Kipster's password is going to be Harmony 2030 with a capital H. Now if you have other Kipsters, their passwords should be mostly the same. The ending numbers might be a little bit different depending on their Pride class. So for example, third grade would be Harmony 2029. First grade would be Harmony 2031. But for the purposes of Virginia Tech and William & Mary, our passwords are Harmony 2030. And we're going to hit, oh, that's not my password. Then it'll take you to this Google Classroom homepage. It'll show you the classes that you're already in or invited to. It'll probably show up this Virginia Schools page with a button in this corner right here saying something like accept your invitation or join this classroom. You're going to click on that and get right into the classroom. Here you'll see our class stream where there will be any announcements made by any of your Kipster's teachers. Here is an announcement from me right here. Introducing you into the classroom and letting you know that you should go to the classwork tab and complete the welcome back check-in assignment. So we're going to get right into the classwork tab. And there are a bunch of different sections here. The first one is welcome back check-in. That's the one that I was referring to in the announcement. So we're going to click on that and you're going to see all the different materials under that. So the first thing here is a reading sneak peek. This is a sample lesson that you can do with your Kipster. This is not required. This is not graded, but if you want to get a sneak peek into what it's going to be like to do reading lessons over this next couple weeks, you can click on that. And it'll take you into a sample reading lesson. Again, this is not required, just to get a feel of it's just to get a feel of what our reading lessons are going to be like. The next thing is the welcome back check-in question. You'll see a little message from me down here, and your Kipster can answer this question. It looks like a couple of people have already turned in this assignment. They've already answered the question. A couple of people have already commented. We've gotten some great answers so far. And then you're going to go back into, the classwork tab. That'll take you right back to where we were before. You'll see all the other sections. Miss Handy has some sections here already. You'll have all of your work from week 1 in this section right here. It says coming soon because all of our materials are not quite up yet, but they will be starting on Monday. Here's where everything for the next week is going to be after that. And then under that, you'll see a couple of other sections: body breaks, reading websites, math websites, explore more. These are all websites that your Kipster has either used before or is familiar with or at least has heard of. And under each of these websites, it'll give you a description of what that website is and some information to log in, as well as a helpful little video in case you get stuck. That's pretty much our entire Google Classroom. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, Ms. Turner, Ms. Davis, Mr. McKinney, or Ms. Creedon. We are all here to help you, and I hope this was a helpful video for you.